Right, we've come to Piers Farm here near Malmesbury. It's the first time I've been working on the stove. I'm going to check if everything's working, see what's going on. Denford's taken the simmering plate off, see what's happening. And then we're going to have to cut inspection covers here in the chimney to see how the chimney's blocked. As you can see, the simmering plate was very badly stuck down. Okay, you can take it outside, Denford.
Okay.
Now we're going to start servicing the stove here. Prepare the box. And this unit's not being used anymore. It's a Argomatic boiler, which is no longer in use. And I'll give you a recording of this once we finish the stove and let you know what's happening.